Let me now review the procedure for capturing analog video and audio. In order to edit video shot in an analog format, you must first digitize it. Do this by routing the video signal through either a digital camcorder that digitizes it on the fly, or use a digitizing device installed on your computer. You can also dub the analog footage to a digital format and then capture the video from a digital device through a capture card, as you would any other digital source. This connection here is showing you how you would set up an S-video system. You've got your computer and computer monitor, and then here, number C here, letter C, is the audio digital converter. You'll connect that to your computer using either a USB 2.0 or FireWire cable. You'll have then jacks that will connect that to your VTR or your camcorder. Those will be RCA jacks or S-video jacks. E, connecting the VTR or camcorder to your computer, is an RS-232 or 422 port and a connector. And then you'll connect your VTR or camcorder to a television using a combination of either RCA cords or an S-video cable right there on the end. For more specifics on capture card settings, you want to see the documentation that came with your capture card. For more details on digitizing analog video, check out the Premiere Pro CS3 Help. And you can find this in the Capturing and Digitizing section, which is in the Setting Up and Bringing in Assets section. And there's a link for capturing analog video. If you want to use audio from an analog video cassette player or live voiceover, you will also need to capture it. With the right capture card, you can capture audio that is synchronized with its source video. The quality of this audio recording will depend on the recorded sample rate and the bit depth when it was captured. Higher sample rates and bit depths produce larger files but better sound quality. As a general rule, capture at the highest quality settings as possible, even if they're higher than required for final export or playback. For example, if you're going up to the web and you'll eventually compress the audio in the video, you'll want to capture it at the highest quality, which means usually no compression. You can also use audio files from an audio CD in your Premiere project, but the audio again must first be converted to an uncompressed format supported by Premiere, such as WAV, W-A-V, or AIF. It's kind of confusing because although the medium is digital, the actual recording on that medium, the CD, is analog signal. You'll want to do this with an audio editing program like Audition or SoundForge. Also, iTunes, free from Apple, does a great job of digitizing CDs into a variety of formats. But again, try to avoid using compressed audio formats such as MP3 or AAC or WMA. To play back compressed audio formats, Premiere must decompress the file first, which may degrade the audio quality of the final file. Let me now move on to the next movie and review batch capture, which is the unattended automated capture of multiple clips into Premiere Pro CS3 from an external analog or DV device.